What's up, you guys? So I did decide to bring back the voiceover, so that's what I'm gonna be doing for you guys today, the butterfly braid and the invisible ponytail. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning off my hair. I wanted to go for a side part today, so that's what I'm going to start doing. And I'm just going to take the whole part and like bring it like diagonally across my head to like the back of my head. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. This step is optional, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to be using Style Factor's Edge Booster Edge Control. I'm using their Golden Shine one, I believe that's the one that it's called. And I'm just going to swoop the edges up how I want them to be. Again, this step is optional, you don't have to do this, you can skip this part. But the way I did it, I find it easier if I curl like the edges a little bit or bump them up a little bit, so that when you swoop them, they swoop much easier because they're like following the pattern of the curl, if that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm just going to start adding edge control around the perimeter of my first section, the bigger section. I'm just swooping real quick, swooping my edges out right there. And then I'm going to continue to add edge control around the perimeter. And I'm actually using a black edge control. It's also by Style Factor. It's called Hideout. And it just like fills in any gaps that there may be. That's why I like using it, because it just makes the hairline look a lot fuller. Now I'm taking a comb and smoothing the product through just to make sure it's evenly distributed and it's all the parts that need to be covered are covered. And I'm going to just section off the first part where I'm going to start braiding. Using this Rua braiding hair, only 2 sections of it for the entire style. And I added 9 pieces. So this part is like self-explanatory. I'm just feeding in the hair section by section. Again, I added in 9 pieces. I know you guys usually ask how many pieces did I add. 9 pieces total. And yes, I did use all of the hair that I showed. If you guys want a detailed feed-in braid tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will get that up ASAP. I also wanted to let you guys know that the more hair you add in, the bigger the butterfly braid will be. So if you want a bigger one, then you obviously want to add bigger sections of hair throughout your braid, or like sooner than later. Like, don't start adding big sections right at the end or right at the middle, because it's not going to look right. You want to start adding bigger sections from the beginning of the braid and then just keep it like moderately the same throughout the braid, and it'll grow naturally. Okay, so now you want to start like stretching and pulling a little bit on the sides of the braid to like get that butterfly braid effect. So just pull it out a little bit or a lot, really, however stretched you want your braid to be, and just keep pulling it until you get the desired look that you want. So now I'm going in on the other side and adding that same hideout black edge control on the other side, and I'm just going to smooth it down with the comb, stick out the edges real nice. and then bring the hair around to the other side of my head. So now you want to take a scrunchie and just take all that hair that you just smoothed down and put it into a ponytail, or rather a little bun, and take the end of the braid from the other side, add that to the bun as well, so you can prepare to wrap the hair around. Now I'm going to cut off this excess braid, but if your hair is longer, you don't want to cut it. You want to just wrap it all the way around the ponytail. These little hairs sticking out are my natural hair, and what I'm going to do is go off camera and bump them up and curl them so it looks a lot better versus it just sticking out and looking straight. You don't have to do this. You can tuck them into your braid. This hair is from Sunber hair, and this is their I believe Brazilian body wave hair. The bundles are super full, the density is great, the shine is beautiful. It's a natural shine. It's not too high so that it looks like plasticky or fake, and the hair is obviously touchably soft. I really love how plush the hair feels. So if you guys want to get this hair, you can go ahead and check the link in my description box, and there will be a website for you to click and purchase the hair. So this is how it looks after the first bundle, and this is me trying to decide if I wanted to add another bundle in there, because I could have for more fullness, but I decided to not add another bundle. I liked it how it looked, you know, as is. So I'm just adding some hair jewelry, these little cuffs and jewelry, blah blah blah. I got it from the beauty supply store. You don't have to do this, it's optional, but I do find that it makes it look cuter. So anyways, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much.